Success and failure is not in the volumes of money flowing into your life. Success and failure is not dependent upon the recognition that you're finding in the world. You're successful with life if you know how to walk with joy through hell. Meltdown is not hell, don't… I know there is a certain amount of global warming involved, but it's not as hot as hell, not yet. It's not bad at all, it's very good. I'm sure you can do with less food, smaller house, smaller car, or walking is great, you know. Man who just became 100 years old in Coimbatore city, I've not met the man, I read in the newspaper just a month ago. His 100th birthday. They asked him, what is the source of your health and well-being, because he's still strong and good? He said, I'm a walk king. You know, he put a hyphen in walking and said, I'm a walk king. Because every day I walk. 100, I'm still walking. So your failure could be extremely good for your well-being. Don't be against your own well-being. Tatumao ganji and walking, it's your recipe for health. There's no such thing as failure. Failure is an idea, because success is also a stupid idea. Your idea, what is success and what is failure, isn't it? Instead of trying to change the world, change your idea. Isn't it easy? If you just change your idea of success and failure, everything is great, isn't it? If you were a beggar on the street, today, if you could walk into the restaurant, eat a masala dosa and pay 10 rupees bill, this would be the high, the peak of your success. So, you got trapped in social situations and it is not even your idea. Why am I crediting you with this? It is somebody's idea of what is success, isn't it? Don't become a slave to somebody's idea. At least have your own idea. You have no idea of your own. Don't deceive yourself. Every idea, every thought, every emotion, every value that you have is picked up from somewhere and it rules you from within. It rules you from within. Your religion, your society, your culture has trained you to believe that this is it. So the first and foremost success is that you are not a slave to anybody's idea. This is success. Whatever the situation of life, you're alive means you're successful, isn't it? No? Let me see it if you're successful. This is success, you're alive. You don't know the value of life. You're crying about the share market. You do not know the value of life. Because the damn graph is going up and down, you want to die? No, but I lost so much money. There is no such thing. These are all social things, these are not existential things. We created the society for our well-being, not to take our lives. Yes? You created your family, your social structure and every other damn thing for your well-being, not to take your life, isn't it? Now every damn thing can take your life. Don't make things that you create, things that human beings create, larger than your life. That is the basis of your suffering.